Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FAMI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, a rough day, but there's a big distinction between just today and then looking at things from a multiple day perspective. So yes, today in and of itself, not a good day. In fact, what would be known as a gap and trap. Price closed right here on Tuesday, opened up right there, hence the gap up, and then totally just rolled back over. So yeah, today bearish, gap and trap. But now let's take a look at more than just one day. And from that angle, everything is still perfectly fine. The price is still nicely up above that green line there, the 40-cent mark. And I'm not going to talk about why that's important. I've talked about that in past videos. And given, the price isn't anywhere close to it, I don't want to go over all that again. Now, if you're curious, you can just go back in the video archives and watch those videos. But point here being is that from an overall standpoint, that 40-cent mark is an important area of support. And like I said, the price isn't anywhere even close to it. So far, so good in that regard in terms of, the levels of support. In fact, if you wanted to, you could throw in this nice little uptrend here that started to form. In fact, I think I'm going to leave that in there just out of curiosity's sake. So let's see how the price behaves relative to that and see if it begins to honor that trend line or not. Now, if it doesn't, again, not the end of the world because you still have 40 cents. But yeah, if the price could maintain above that trend line, that'd be a very impressive sign of power. And then as far as areas of resistance are concerned, it just goes back to that 50-cent mark. Yes, temporarily, price got above it this morning, but that didn't last very long at all. So 50 cents still that initial area of resistance, and then next key level after that, right up there at the 55-cent mark. So yes, again, today individually, not a good day, but taking a step back, looking at multiple days, you can see the price does still have the opportunity to chip away and build a higher low. So let's see how this one continues to play out moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.